Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos. And my topic is Jannat Ali. Moving forward, Jannat Ali is a very interesting talk about life, certainly, and such it teaches us that life is full of problems, but we should never stop trying. In this talk, the speaker explains that every person face difficult in life difficult sometimes we feel sometimes we feel sad and sometimes we feel lost, but these problems are normal. The main message of this talk is that we should always keep moving forward. We should not give up when life becomes hard. Failure is not the end; it is a lesson that help us grow. The speaker also say the section take time. We should take some small step every day, even solo progress is still progress. Believing in yourself is very important. If we trust ourselves, we can face any change in life. This talk also teaches us to stay positive. Positive thing help us to stay storage and motivate in college. Moving forward, Jannat Ali is a very motivated talk. It encourages us to stay storage, stay positive, and never give up in life. And thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video, and goodbye.